When you retrieve pages, the great feature that you have in this tool is here in this column action. Okay, here you have all information about the Facebook fan page, the name, the UID, the website, if any, the phone, email address, how many fans they have, the location as well. And here you can click on Insight. Okay, I'm gonna open this in another tab. And here you see that you have, and automatically you can see here the distribution of fans by country. You can see here, for example, you have United States, more than 3,800 users, and Canada 3, Kenya 2, Philippines 2, and so on. So you can see, if you want to do business, you have to know here to which country, because you know that when you post an ad in Facebook, you can select the countries. Okay, and this is a very good information to take into consideration when you want to post an ad. Okay, just check here. This insight information is very critical. It's very crucial for your business. Okay, the same is here. You go to this one. I'm gonna click insight. Okay, and here you see United States. Then you should see the next country is Norway, so you should focus on Norway, for example. Philippines, Canada, United Kingdom, Indonesia, and so on. Okay.